Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. What is a test-driven development? With TDD, you will start testing before creating anything else. The Agile team will determine what needs to be tested, and based on that, they will develop a user story. Typically, TDDs will begin with a unit test, followed by writing the entire story. This test will continue until testers have written the correct code that allows the unit test to pass. This method is also helpful for component tests, which work well with automated test tools. These tests ensure that all components of the product are working individually. Agile testers use TDD to evaluate how the product works at the time of implementation instead of afterward, as they would with a traditional test method. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.